Meet Pip, the cheerful blue elephant. Suddenly, he felt a tickle. The mighty sneeze sent his petals spinning like a helicopter, lifting him right off the grass. Next, the Pip. Up, up, and away. Pip soared high into the bright blue sky. He dashed through a fluffy cloud and happily waved hello to some surprised birds. Slowly, his pink flower stopped spinning. So, Pip spread his big blue ears like a fluffy parachute, gliding gently over the tall snowy mountains. Pip landed safely on a giant, squishy mushroom. The magical forest sparkled all around him, and butterflies fluttered by to say welcome home.
Ah!